Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben, and I'm live. Welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader, professional swing trader. I day trade crypto. Actually, I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday, and I also swing trade the cryptos. Okay. Now, if that's something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. Okay, if you don't understand what's going on in this crypto market and you're confused and you don't know how to make money right now, definitely hit that subscribe button because this year is not a buy and hold year. Okay, so you can speed up the video. So shout out to everybody that's coming through. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice during this live stream. Okay, so shout out to you guys. Let's see what's going on. Let's see if I see anybody in the chat. I don't know if I see anybody in the chat. What's going on? What's going on in Drill? Indranil, who else? Randy, TB Dollar Signs, Rufus, Abdul, Leslie Savage. What's going on, guys? Okay. Hopefully I can make this a quick stream. We're gonna wait for. Let's see if we can wait for a couple more people to come in. I hope you guys had a good weekend so far. I hope you guys had a good weekend. But right now, Bitcoin is really not doing anything at all. It's just waiting time. That's all it is right now. Waiting time. Let's go with the coin market cap real quick. 219 billion. Now, that 220, 225 is still holding support. I mean, actually holding some type of resistance around that level. So we'll see what's going to happen in the future. Okay, but that 220 right here, that 225, 220 area right here is resistance. We'll see if Bitcoin can actually get over that. Everything is creeping up, so most likely a huge move is going. Yes, right now the stream turned red, so hold on for a second, guys. Hold on for a second, 1 second. Let me know, guys, can you hear me good? Is the stream good now? Because right now the stream wasn't, it looks like it went red. So what about now, guys? Is it good now? Okay, so just give me 2 seconds. Just give me 2 seconds. Let me see if I can actually fix it real quick. Alrighty, so hold on, guys. All right, so I'm back. All right, so you said it's stuck. So guys, is it still stuck or what? What's going on here? You can see me. What's good? It's stuck like BTC. No, well, I was trying to fix it. So, guys, can you hear me right now? I think you should be able to hear me right now. I was just trying to fix the stream real quick. That's all. So let me see if you can hear me right now. Somebody said it's stuck like BTC. I know, right? So yeah, guys, can you hear me right now, though? I think you should be able to hear me right now. All right. All right, cool. Yeah. So, all right, guys. So basically, overall, like I said before, like around 220, 225 with a market cap that's showing some type of resistance right now. The volume is still low. And who said, somebody in the chat said, I don't know who it was. Let me look up. Yeah, Anthony. Anthony said bull run coming. Let me know why you think a bull run is coming, and if anybody else thinks a bull run is coming, let me know why. Okay, state your reasons why. So right now, we're just waiting to see what Bitcoin is going to do. I think a huge move is going to come soon. Is it to the upside? Is it to the downside? We'll see. Okay, we'll definitely see. Man, these stupid ads is annoying. So let's go through the chat room. Let's see if I see any questions here. Andrew says skip work today to study your program. I hope that's not true, Andrew. Andrew said he skipped work to study my program. I hope that's not true. Get that money, Ant. Get that money, Andrew. You know, you can study. You always can study my course. Let me see who else. Brooklyn, Michael, Brooklyn. What's going on? Pat said, "Man, you be saying nothing." So Pat, so let me know if I'm not saying nothing, why you in the chat room? Number one, and number two, what else you want to say? Pat is funny. Let me see. Let me read these other questions here. What do I think about BitMEX? As in what? Like as a trading platform, Amir? As a trading platform? Or you talking about overall? Honestly, I never messed with BitMEX. But I don't know exactly what you mean by that. What's going on, Keith? What's going on, Daniel? I'm reading these questions, so give me a second. Dom said, "What's going on with Tron TRX pump?" I gotta check that because I didn't see about pump. So I think shortened time is coming. Shout out to Dom. Travis said made some bucks today on the channels. Exactly what channel you talking about? If BTC break right now is bloodbath, yeah. Yes. So, you know, Anthony said bull run is coming. I don't know where Ant went, but if anybody thinks a bull run is coming, let me know and state your reasons why. Okay. So somebody said TRX is pumping. I'll check that later on. So right now, what we're looking at with BTC, we still stuck in his channel. Okay, we're still stuck in his channel right here. And most likely, the way things are looking, most likely we will hit this top. It looks like we're going to at least hit that 69 top. We don't have to hit it, okay? But it looks like it's trying to go up there. Now the question is, when we break this top, or if we break this top, are we going to go to that 7,000 level, test it one more time? Okay, so that's very important to look at that. I think that 7,000, if we go to break this top, is a possibility that we might flirt with the 7,000 level, and then that's what probably we're going to find resistance at. So let's keep that in mind. Yeah, hit these likes, guys. Smash these likes. Let me see. I'm reading these questions here. Okay, let me see. Bear market lasts for a long time, guys. Yep. Overall, trusted deposit 1 piece BTC. Oh, you said you want to know, are they trusted? You deposit 1 BTC and you just want to know if they're safe. I don't know. Guys, anybody trade BitMEX here? Are they safe? I think so. I'm not too sure. Abdul said Amir safe. I've been using them for a while. #1 out there. Okay, so I guess Abdul answer your question. Travis said Ben made money today in Bitcoin Cash, BTC, Litecoin, nice short term channels. All right, so shout out to you. Let me give you that cha-ching button. Okay, you out here working these channels. That's what's up. DB said you don't have to say much. We be making money thanks to you. All that, you know. I'm not working about that guy. He's a troll. DB said I started your course with 80 bucks 2 weeks ago. I'm at 256 now. All with Ben course. Sell high, take gains. So shout out to you, man. That's what's up. That's what I like to see. I like to see someone starting low like that. Okay, starting with low money and building up their account. That's good to see. Shout out to you, man. I definitely like that. Actually, let me give you a round of applause. What's going on, Davina Perry? How you doing? I hope you are okay. I hope you had a good weekend. I hope everybody else had a good weekend this past weekend, because for me it was okay. It wasn't all that, but it was all right. DB said I used to be a hodler, not no more. Haha. Shout out to DB from waking up. Okay. See, the thing about hodling is you have to know when to hodl, okay? You had to know when to hodl, but overall, guys, hodling is a beginner strategy, and not only that, it's multiple reasons why I don't like hodling as my main strategy. The markets could take advantage of you at any time, and they want you to hodl because they know that for the most part you're not going to sell, so they need to continue to take people's money. So if you don't sell, then they have more money to take. So it is what it is. At the end of the day, most people don't want to learn how to swing trade, but like I said, it is what it is at the end of the day. Let me see what's going on here. All right, so let's look at Tron, because somebody pointed out Tron had a pump. Okay, so let's look at Tron real quick. All right. Okay, that's what's up. Tron had that nice little pump. Let's see how on the daily chart looks. All right, that's what's up. Tron had a nice little pump. Okay. So we went to the high. It looks like we're going to the high. Okay. And so you said Tron has some news. Let me know, guys. I really haven't been keeping up with Tron at all. Guys, let me know. Did Tron, Antoine said post discount for the course. Antoine, are you interested in getting the course? Guys, let me know what's going on with Tron. It had news or what? Because it's pumping. Let's see these other altcoins are pumping. I don't think so. Yeah, Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin's going up, but It's not pumping like Tron. We'll see XRP. Okay, XRP ain't going nowhere. This little dot. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is still low. Bitcoin Cash still low. Okay. So I guess Tron has some news. Let's look at the chat real quick. You said news and FOMO. Didn't see TRX news. You said you think TRX mainnet completion tomorrow. Okay. So what is this? Another pump and dump? So this is another pump and dump, guys. Oh, guys, Tron always coming out with something. Yeah, Antoine, you said post a discount. Let me know if you're trying to get the course. Ben, do you think XRP will break out of that triangle to the downside or to the upside? To the downside or upside, Dom? All right, let's see if I see any more questions here. New York is also pumping. That's what's up. Tron Virtual Machine 30th August. Okay. Okay, I hear that. So I guess Tron is another pump and dump right now. The same story with Tron, a pump and dump. So XRP going to the downside? Well, it looks like it's coming out the triangle to the upside. So we'll see, because you know, we'll see if it has problems over this. If it goes up to here, let's see if it had problems over this hump. So, you know, guys, you have to understand we had a crazy drop, okay? And then the market just pulled back a little bit. But I definitely expect another leg down. Definitely expect that. Put it like this: when Bitcoin goes below that level, you know, there's a lot of money to be made. It's just when, because right now they playing a lot of games. I think they want to probably wait until September, before they dump it. But a huge move is coming soon. If you look at this whole move, you know, we are in a bear market, okay? And if you look at this big drop, okay, in this up move right here, all this looks like is a flag. That's it. It just looks like another continuation to the downside, okay? So we just have to wait. Like I said, we can flirt with that 7,000 level, 7,072 maybe. But I don't think they want to bring it up that high, because if they bring it up too high, when it goes back down, it's gonna be too obvious, in my opinion. So we'll see. I mean, anything can happen, but you know, we are still in the bear market, and that's why I'm looking for legs down. Okay, Bitcoin dominance is going up. Most likely, it's going to continue to go up. So it is what it is. I'm waiting for that big, you know, drop. Most likely, it's going to happen when we sleeping. We're going to wake up, and next thing you know, Bitcoin is out of here. Let me see if I see any questions here. Okay, if he can't do it, I can do it too. All right, so you guys want that course? Okay. All right, so shout out to you guys that wanted to get the course. Shout out to you guys. Let me give you guys that discount. And if you're new to the channel, they basically talking about this discount I give on my live stream. Okay, I only give this discount only on live. Okay, and when I get off of live, basically, I take it off. So as soon as I go off live, it goes back to the original price, which is 210. So shout out to you guys that want to get the course. Now check this out. For you guys that want to get this course, okay? For you guys that want to get this course, let me know when you get the course, because this course comes with a Discord room, okay? So you can chat with me and my students. So let me know, okay? When you get this course, let me know. So you can email me, so I can send you that that link to that Discord. And if anybody else that don't have this course, check it out. It's the best course on the market right now, hands down. I should be selling this for for a lot more, put like that. You can go check out my testimonials from the people that's making money from the market. Okay, go check it out. Okay, if you don't know how to make money right now in this current situation, check it out, because it will literally like change the way you think about the market. Change the way you think about the market. Most people, all they know how to do is hold. Okay, but there's other strategies that you can use while you're holding and make money in this current market. So shout out to you. Shout out to everybody that want to get this course. And it's not about day trading, it's about swing trading. Okay, and if you want to take advantage of these swings in the market, okay, when the market goes up, pull back, goes up, that's a swing right there. So that's what we look to take advantage of, these swings. And right now, market is pulling back right now, so we're looking to take advantage of this swing to the downside whenever this thing breaks down. Let me see here. Let me see if I see any questions here. Travis says TRX big pump and dump. Big dump coming. I will short TRX like a grizzly bear. Oh man. South Korea government is really pushing crypto. Could be a big factor in these prices. I don't know. We'll see. I don't think so. Hey, what's going on, Eric? Eric said, Ben, I have your course. How can I get the Discord? Email me, Eric, with proof. Just send me proof, okay? Just email me. Let me know if you need my email address. Just email me and say, hey, man, here's the proof, and I will send you that link. Let me see. What else? Antoine said, I don't have PayPal, Ben. Only way to pay. Nah, I don't think you need PayPal. You don't need a PayPal, Antoine. You can pay with your debit or credit card, Antoine. Okay? Antoine, can you hear me? You don't need PayPal to pay. You just need a debit or a credit card, and you don't have to pay with PayPal. So let me know if you having more problems. Okay? Antoine, let me know. DB said you will learn how to make money for real. Just follow the course. So shout out to DB. DB actually double his account. Actually, I think triple his account. So shout out to him. One of my students. Eric said my email is no. Well, Eric, email me, okay? All right. I'm reading these quick. Since 1900, there have been 29 bear markets, average 3 to 5 years with a decline of 30%. So shout out to Leslie Savage giving us that knowledge. Giving us that knowledge. Thanks a lot. Hey, what's going on, Scotty? Hey, Ben, just logged on. I missed a bit. Just following your course for the first time. Feel pretty confident already. So shout out to you, man. Shout out to Scotty. He feels confident. He feels like he understands the market now from reading the course. So that's good to hear, man. I definitely like to see that, okay? Because, you know, this could be confusing sometimes. Definitely could be confusing. But right now, what's going on is just the market is pulling back. It looks like Bitcoin wants to go to a specific level. These altcoins is going up a little bit. We'll see if they're going to break these highs. We'll see. Let's see. Ethereum looks weak. Yeah, so let me see if I see any questions here. Hey, what's going on, 45? Keith said a Discord is a cool place. Cool cash to chat. What's going on, 45? Thanks a lot, Keith. Keith said, man, I love this group. Was tired of after work, but I'm feeling recharged already. I'm feeling recharged seeing everyone here. So shout out to him, man. So Antoine, let me know, Antoine, are you still having problems? And who else wanted to get it? Somebody else said they wanted to get it. If he can't do it, then so can I. If he can't do it, then so can I. Did you get it yet? Did you get it yet? Let's see if I see any more questions here. I'm working on it, bro. I remember his gains. I remember his gains from 80 bucks. I'm trying to copy him. I hear you, man. I hear you. So yeah, guys, Bitcoin dominance most likely will continue to grow this year. I don't think it's going to go lower. I think we're going to keep going up. We might see 60 or 70% by the end of this year. Okay. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. For people that think this is the bottom, you know, that is a dangerous, to me, a dangerous thought to have right now, because Bitcoin fell so many times. Okay, when we dropped all the way down to here in February, we went up, we fell this up move. Okay, we went up, we didn't go up higher, we just dropped right back down again. We went up, dropped right back down again. So honestly, guys, this is nothing new. What I'm looking at is the market is moving up sideways, looking like another continuation down to the downside, and that's when the party's going to begin. I think they got to go to a certain level before they do that, though. I think they might have to go to that 7,000 level before we even try to go down. Okay, but even when it hits that 7,000, let's say we hit the 7,000 or 72 and find resistance, and it goes down. Even though it goes down from there, it doesn't have to go straight down. We might wiggle a little bit too. So it might just not be a straight blast. Okay, you just keep that in mind. It might, you know, we might go up a little bit. Up a little bit, right? Find resistance, go down. Maybe make a little double top. And then, so it might be a slow grind down, you know. So let's keep that in mind. But I believe that the altcoins will definitely lead the way again. I think the altcoins will lead the way again, while Bitcoin watched them, go down. Because definitely, I think we have another leg down, multiple legs down actually. Let me see here. Doing good. I'm about to get paid that fat check. About the big chunk for trading. Shout out to you, 45. Sticking to Ben's course, keep trading, pulling that big chunk out of me. Shout out to y'all guys. So yeah, I didn't hear nothing from you, Antoine. I don't know what happened. Let me know if you had any problems, and also if you can't do it, then then so can I. Let me know too. Let me see if I see any questions here. Hey, what's going on, Arnell? How you doing? So yeah, guys, that's what we're looking at right now. I'm about to get off here pretty soon, but just be careful in this market. I'm talking about the dip bias. Be careful. I know a lot of people getting happy for some reason, but just be careful. Right now, the market is having a break. That's all you're seeing. The market is dropped. You know how many days the market just dropped? This fell off the cliff. So this right now is just resting time. It fell off the cliff right here. Now we're just resting a little bit, okay? And then we're going to most likely see another huge move. So it could be, we could definitely maybe do another pop up, okay? We might see another pop up and then follow by a red candle going down, and we might do something like that, or we just might do a little spike and then drop. So I'm definitely looking for a huge move soon. Maybe in September. I don't think they want to do anything in August right now. Really don't. Let me see if I see any questions here. And if anybody in this chat room thinks that the market is bullish or is going to turn bullish, let me know. If you think this is the bottom and we're going to turn bullish and we're going to hit that 19-20K, let me know. State your reasons why. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. Alrighty, so let's see what's here. What's going on here? Triple bottom, yo. Bullish. Going to the moon. I hear that. Antoine, did you get the course yet? Where can I email you confirmation email for the Discord? Yeah, email. Antoine, did you get the course yet? Oh yeah, he said payment is done. Okay, I didn't see you. All right, so shout out to you, Antoine. Antoine said the payment is done. So, let me give you my email address, Antoine. Let me give you my email address right now. So this is where you're gonna send my. This is when you're gonna send proof, okay, Antoine? I just put the email address in the chat box. So send me that proof that you bought the course, and I'll give you that Discord link. And that's for anybody that bought the course already. If you bought the course, send me proof. I'll give you that Discord link. Okay, so you can chat with us, look at some charts. But shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot for actually, supporting the channel. Let me give you a round of applause. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. And like I tell everybody that get the course, man, there's a lot of money to be made. Right now, Bitcoin is slow. Unfortunately, Bitcoin is slow right now, but I believe in September, which is what, a couple of days from now, things will pick up. And plus, when we break, or if we break, most likely we're gonna break below these lows. Okay. When that happens, basically, there's going to be a lot of volatility in the market and a lot of opportunities. Let me see here. Jared said BTC is going to 772 within a week, then then we see a pullback. Yeah, I'm thinking 72, 71. Yeah, I'm thinking that too. What's going on, MK? Yeah, you know, if someone's bullish in the chat room, if you're bullish and you think the market will go to 19K or 20K, like Tommy Lee said, like Tom Lee said, let me know. State your reasons why. Let me see in the chat. What's going on, Antoine? All right. So shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot for supporting that channel. What's going on, Matt? Randy said, hey, on Discord. Shout out to Randy. This will be the final pullback. Yeah, right now, guys, you know, just gotta be, you know, patient. We will crash in max 48 hours. Neil said, you know, that's definitely a possibility. Okay. Right now, guys, you have to understand that there's nothing new in crypto right now. There's no new users, nothing really new right now in crypto. It's the same thing. Okay, it's the same thing. So until we get rid of these coins that's really not doing anything, until we can gain some new users, then, you know, most likely we'll see something. But for now, it's just the same old people. A lot of people probably getting out. The reason why I don't think Bitcoin will go up so high, because we had a chance to go up high right here. Okay. I think the market knew that a lot of people wanted to sell at 9,000 and 10,000, so that's why they didn't go up to that level, because they had to take your money in order to make money. So they went down to that level. And actually, let me ask people on this chat room, anybody in BTC, if BTC hit 9,000 or 10,000, anybody in the chat room was looking to sell? You know, was you looking to sell at those levels, or even, you know, sell a little bit, or maybe break even? Because I know a lot of people was probably looking to sell at those levels. But you know, let me see here. I'm selling right now all bottom lows. Then I'm shorting around 72, but I'm selling slowly every pop. Eric said, how much is the cost? My cost is, the original price is 210. The original price is 210. The reason why you see 110 right here is because we are live. During my live streams, I give out a discount. So when I get off a live stream, which is going to be probably another 5 to 10 minutes from now, it's going to go right back to 210. So that's the price right now. So let me give you that link if you want to check it out. Okay. Eric Smith. Let me give you that link. And also, if anybody gets the course, email me proof that you got the course so I can send you that Discord link. Okay. With this course comes a Discord link. It comes with a Discord link so you can chat with me and my traders, and you know, so we could talk about crypto. Let me see if I see. Bima just told us in the Discord. Told us what? Yeah, I hear you. Okay, Antoine. Antoine said I sent a screenshot. Okay, no problem. When I get off of this live stream, Antoine, I'm going to definitely send you that link. All right. Neil said decision on the ETF. What about the decision on the ETF, Neil? Let me know. What do you mean by that? It will. You said it will keep crashing until the end of September. Oh, okay, I see what you're talking about. Yeah, it could do that, you know, or something else could happen before that September. You know. Shout out to Leslie Savage. Leslie Savage said, I'm bearish right now because the chart's telling me to be bear. Shout out to him. Shout out to him, man. He said, I'm bearish right now because the chart is telling me to be bear. Okay? And that is so true. Because I remember when I first started live, someone asked me, "Hey man, why you so bearish right now?" I'm like, "Yo, bro, I'm not bearish at all." Okay, the chart is bearish, the market is bearish. Okay, I'm not bearish. I mean, if the market was going up, guess what? I would be buying. You know, so shout out to Leslie Savage. Yes, the chart is basically telling you guys everything. The charts are the numbers. The numbers don't lie. Okay, this is why I don't really focus on the news at all, because the news always lie. Or I'm not gonna say always, but for the most part, you know, we see what Cnbc is doing. Okay, I showed you guys some diagram where someone post up every single time CNBC says something bullish, the market went down the next day or the following day. Either the same day or the following day. And every time they say something bullish, every time they say something bearish, the market went up. So, you know, it's crazy, man. So yes, that's why I focus on the chart, and that's why it's very important to read the chart. Let me see if I see any questions here. Brian says still can't download the course. Please email me. Let me know what I need. Brian, email me. Brian, email me, please. Okay, email me right now, because all you need is WinRAR. Okay. Brian, all you need is WinRAR. Email me right now. Email me right now, Brian, and let me know, because you should be able to. If you have a PC, then you definitely should be able to open this course right now. All you have to download is WinRAR, which is free, and then once you get that, you can open up the course. But check this out. Email me right now. Okay, email me right now, and I will give you directions. Okay, so let me see here. Eric said buying a course. Will email you the chat. So shout out to you, Eric. Eric, let me know. Eric, as soon as you get the course, let me know, okay? Let me know as soon as you get this course. I'm reading these questions right here. Hey, what's going on, Tony? You said, does your course work with you? Yes, it works with anybody, okay? If you're new to cryptocurrencies, it will work with you. If you're from another country, it will work with you. It doesn't matter, okay? Everybody that got this course is not from the United States, so it doesn't matter. As long as you're dealing with cryptocurrencies, this will work for you. Even if you have a 9 to 5, even if you go to work, okay, you can still, this course will still work for you, okay? So shout out to everybody that's talking about this course. You know, I took my time with this course. I definitely took my time. I talk about a lot of stuff. It's not just about crypto. I talk about a lot of stuff. You know, how to manage your emotions, how to manage your money, how to, you know, think like a millionaire, all that different stuff, okay? I took my time. Trust me, I can sell it way more than $210. Right now, I'm giving you guys a crazy discount, which is a giveaway, in my opinion. So yes, it will work for you. I just send you that link if you don't have that link. And like I said, this course comes with a Discord link. Let me see if I see any questions here. I say the market cycle shows there is going to be at least a small bull run. How far and how long it will be sustained is the big question, but a bull trend should be slowly emerge. But that's my opinion. Well, the thing, Michael, when you say a bull trend, okay, you have to understand it's not a bull trend, okay? You have to understand when you are in a bull and when you are in a bear market, everything that you see, every time you see the market goes up, it's called a pullback. It's not really called a trend. The reason why you call it a bull trend or uptrend or whatever you want to call it is because most of these YouTubers don't know what they're talking about. Okay, most of you YouTubers always talk some nonsense. Okay, so you know, when we had this big up move right here, this is not bullish at all. Okay, it's just a pullback. When we had a big up move right here, a pullback. When we had this big up move right here, a pullback. So nothing is bullish, even if it pulls back a lot. It's not bullish. Okay, the whole you have to look at the whole picture. The whole picture is telling me that the market is still down. Okay, look at all the way from January until now. We are pointing down. That's the big picture. That's all I focus on is the big picture. Okay, I don't really care about these pullbacks. I don't care about these pullbacks. Is this a distraction? Okay, these pullbacks are just a distraction, and that's why most people don't. Most people get happy when they see pullbacks. Is because they don't know what they don't. They don't know what they're doing. Okay, it's these big whales. Right, these big whales that they know how to get a lot of people hyped, excited, okay, and that's what you see on the chart. But like I said before, to me right now, 72 or 7,000 is a good level. I don't think they want to bring this thing up too high. I don't think they want to bring this thing up too high because it's going to look too obvious when it comes down. But, you know, anything can happen. I don't think they want to go like 75. I don't think so. You know, I really don't. I mean, this is a big, huge move right here. So I definitely, you know, knew that some consolidation was going to come on the chart. So that's what we're seeing right now. A slow move up, a slow grind up. Okay, and we in a nice little channel, slow grind up in the channel. Most likely we're going to pop soon. I think they want to go at least above this high, but if they want to go above this high, most likely they're going to flirt with that 7,000 level. Okay, and then we'll see from there. Okay, let's see if I see any questions here. Hey, what's going on, Randy? Yeah, Eric Smith. Okay, so shout out to you, man. Eric Smith said he bought the course. Yes, you can email me right now, Eric Smith. Send me proof that you bought the course, and I will send you that email. I will send you that Discord link. Okay, as soon as I get off that I mean, as soon as I get off this live. But let me give you a round of applause. Okay. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Thanks a lot for buying the course. Like I tell everybody that gets the course, man, this, it's definitely an eye opener. Okay, and it will help you navigate the markets the way you should. And you're definitely going to see a lot of opportunities out here. There's a lot of money to be made. Okay, so right now what we're looking at, guys, you see this right now? We're looking at Bitcoin popping up nicely. You see that pop up? So what I'm looking at here is probably we're going to have a nice little spike up to that 7,000 level. Okay, 7,072. And I think we're going to find a lot of resistance at this level right here. Okay, so this is the main level that we're going to be looking at right here. It's the main level we're going to be looking at right here. Okay. So once it gets to this level, we're going to see if it's going to find resistance. So right now, I'm glad that Bitcoin is going up like this. Okay. I'm glad Bitcoin is spiking up. Eric Smith said, "What proof do I need?" The email. Just send me either a screenshot or confirmation of the payment. Anything. So yeah, right now, guys. Eric Smith, do you have my email? Let me give you my email. Hold on, let me copy and paste my email real quick. All right. So yeah, guys, we spiking up a little bit right here. I just send you my email, Eric Smith. So I hope that we spike up some more. Okay, I hope we do a big spike. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I know that every time Bitcoin spikes, is usually not good. Okay, a spike for Bitcoin is usually not good. It usually means the bots are buying the market, and a couple of days later from that spike, we usually always sell off. So this huge spike right here, that's exactly what we need. Okay, we need a spike like this, so so we can consolidate and break right back down. Because the market was really doing nothing for a while. So this is the huge move that I was talking about. Okay, I didn't know it was going to be to the upside or downside, but I knew something was going to happen. Right now, it took out some stops. If you're looking at it right now, we're looking at it live. Okay, it's taking out these stops right here, and it's going to. It looks like it's trying to go to that 7,000 level. So that's what we're looking at right now. Now, does it have to go to 7,000? It don't have to, but it might. Most likely it will, right? We at 69, so definitely It looks like it's trying to go to that 7,000 level. Okay. You see it spiking up nicely. So this is what we need, guys. We need this spike right here. We need this spike because usually when Bitcoin spike like this, it doesn't work out too good. Okay. Usually when Bitcoin spike, it doesn't work out too good because it's pretty much artificial, right? It's the bots buying these market, and it's not really going to hold up too much. So, you know, this is a good thing that the Bitcoin is spiking up, because hopefully we will see consolidation and then, you know, move to the downside. So let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. Jared said, put my sell to 71. Then I don't see the weakness in shorts. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. That 7,000 level is tasty right now, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. That 7,000 level, man, it's looking tasty. But let me see if I see any questions here. All right. Ben, he said, be ready for the trolls. I don't know. You think just caught the pump, 153 profit? That's what's up, Antoine. Mark, why do you want it to go down? Mark, are you new to the channel, Mark? Mark, are you new to the channel? Let me know, Mark. Antoine said this made the money back. Okay, so yeah, Mark. So if you're new to the channel, then you don't really understand what's going on. Okay, I don't want the market to go down. Okay, I love cryptocurrencies just like you do. Okay, but I am a professional. I do this full time. So you have to understand the way I make money. I don't make money like most people in the cryptocurrency world. Most people in the cryptocurrency world, all they do is buy and hold. Okay, I don't make money like that. I make money from trends. Okay, trends, the major trends. So last year, 2017, the major trend was to the upside, right? It was going up. So we was in an uptrend, okay, a bull trend, and it was lovely. Okay, you buy the dip, you hold on, and you make some money. This year, unfortunately, we are in a downtrend. Okay, I don't control the market. I can't move the market. So since I can't move the market and I have to make money consistently, okay, I have to go along with the major trend, and the major trend this year has been down. Okay, you have to be honest with yourself, Mark. You have to be honest with yourself and say that, you know, the major trend this year pretty much been down. So since it's been down, Mark, I've been taking advantage of these swings to the downside. It's not because I want the market to go down. It's just because the major trend is down. Okay, so this what most people don't understand about people that take advantage of the trends. So Mark, I don't know if if you understand now. Mark, I don't know if you understand now, but that's what's going on right now. Because, you know, Mark, imagine me doing this full time, right? Imagine me doing this full time and not making money from, you know, for 9 months straight. 9 months straight, people that have been buying and holding, you know, they haven't been making any money. Okay, so imagine me doing this full time, not making money for 9 months straight. That's not sustainable. So you have to understand, you know, my position. I'm not really a buy and hold guy. Okay, that's not really my style, because I understand that the market is going to have periods where it's just down for the year. Okay, and that's unfortunately that's what we're seeing right now. People get that confused when I say that. People confuse it with me wanting the market to go down. I don't want the market to go down. Okay, I just make money from the major trends. So Mark said, thanks for clarifying. Yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, so a lot of people think that the market is going down because the shorters are short. I remember reading a comment today. This guy got mad at somebody for posting a video saying that there's a possibility that Bitcoin could go down, blah blah blah. And he was like, "Yo, man, shorters like you in the market is bringing down the market." But guys, you have to understand that me, you, anybody that short this market, we don't have the power to bring down the market at all. Okay? We just ride in the waves. We don't have power to bring down the market. So if we short this market, it doesn't bring down the market when we short the market. The big dogs, the whales, the rich, those are the people that basically control the market. They bring down the market. So we just going along with them. That's it. So let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. Tony said, yeah, I answered that question already, Tony. Antoine said, just made back that money waiting to go short around 7,000. Oh, man. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, man. This level is crazy right now. That 7,000 level. So I put that level right here, 7,000 around 72. Let's move it up to 72. So this area right here is definitely a resistance zone right here. Definitely a resistance zone. Okay, so keep that in mind. Let's see what these other alts is doing. Okay, Litecoin is shooting up. That's what's up. You can't win them all, okay? You can't win them all. You can't win every single trade. So just keep that in mind. You can't win every single trade. But overall, if you're going with the trend, there will be opportunities to make money. Ethereum is going up. TRX has actually went up already. TRX spiking up. XRP. Okay, XRP doing his thing. That's what's up. Let's see. All right, so let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here, guys. Let me see. Tony said, have you looked at the long term of 2011? There's strong support. Yeah, it's probably, support that, Bitcoin might bounce from the 42 level, but, doesn't mean that's the bottom. Doesn't mean that's going to be the bottom. So around this area right here, yeah, I mean, most likely we will bounce around this area, but doesn't mean that's going to be the bottom. Let's see here. Before I get out of here, let me read these questions here. What do you think about BAC will do to BTC? Right now, I don't think nothing will help BTC. Okay, in the short term, because you have to understand that Bitcoin is in a bear market, and no good news will help Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin has to continue to do what it's doing right now, and is basically clearing out. Bitcoin is clearing out all these coins right here that's not worth anything. A lot of these coins that you see on the market, the value is too high. So a lot of these coins had to get crushed. Bitcoin has to continue to crush these coins. So it doesn't matter an ETF comes out. It doesn't matter what new project comes out. Maybe when we see that bottom, it'll work out for Bitcoin in the market. But right now, I don't see nothing. And the reason why I'm telling you guys this is not because I'm trying to sound all, negative. It is, I'm trying to give you guys another view, another way to look at the market, because you can't just think one way, okay? You can't just always think positive and always think things are just going to be okay. Because when you think like that, that's when you are very vulnerable and people can actually take advantage of you, when you're always positive and always thinking, no way, that can't happen to me, okay? Or that can't happen to the market. When you think like that, that's when people take advantage of you. So you always have to understand the other side. And most of these YouTubers are not going to tell you the other side because they're scared that people will unsubscribe from them, okay? Like me, I had a lot of people unsubscribe from me, but I'm not worrying about that because this is not what I do full time. Okay, I trade the market full time, so it is what it is. But I'm trying to give you guys another view, because if I just tell you guys, yeah, don't worry, man, Bitcoin's going to moon as soon as the ETF comes in, okay, that's not realistic, because I know that the ETF doesn't mean anything at all, because I understand how Wall Street moves. They are not going to throw billions and trillions of money in the market just because an ETF is approved. There's a lot of other stuff have to, like the market is still not regulated. Okay, you have to understand this market is not a regulated market. This market is still the wild, wild west. Okay, most people just don't understand that. This is why anything can happen in this market. Anything, because this market is not regulated. I think most people they don't understand that. I think so many people are caught up with the idea of, loving cryptocurrencies, decentralized, all this, and trust me, I love cryptos too, but I'm a realist and I understand how things work. And, I'm not gonna, get caught up with that saying, this will never happen. Okay, some people think that Bitcoin can never hit 3,000 right now. Okay, you have people that say Bitcoin can never hit 3,000, and that's because they love cryptocurrencies that much, so much to the point where it's just the emotions is just clouding their judgment and their views, and they're not thinking realistic right now. So you have to understand, guys. I'm trying to give you guys another view, and I try to be I'm just trying to be a professional, okay, and basically give you the real deal, what's really going to happen, or what could happen actually, instead of giving you some made up story saying Bitcoin is going to 50K, and doesn't even make any sense right now. So let's see if I see any questions here before I get out of here. And anybody that got this course, definitely send me that email proof where you got the course, so you can actually get that Discord room. Okay. Let me see what's going on here. Jared said BTC going back down. Yes, I believe so too. Jared said he's shorting 69. Shout out to you. Send me the email. Yeah, all right, no problem. Yeah, after this session right now, I'm gonna send you that email. Okay. Davina Perry said, "Ben, great information. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot for coming through. I appreciate it." Have you ever held a coin? Yes. DC. Last year, I bought coins. I bought some coins last year, but like I said before, with me, last year I took profits. Okay, so if the market goes down to whatever low level, whatever level it wants to go to, I'll be okay because I already took my profits. Okay, I'm not the way I'm going into this thing. It's not. I'm not going into it and looking like things will go up forever. I don't do things like that. So I took my profits. I understood that Bitcoin was in a crazy rally, and I knew eventually this will slow down. And so when I bought my coins, I took profits on the way up. Because I knew this is unsustainable. I mean, the market going up like this, very unsustainable. And, for you guys that's, love crypto, I love crypto too. But, we have to be honest with ourselves at the same time. Bitcoin going up like this, a lot of these projects going up like this, crazy. Okay. That's not going to last forever. So I study bubbles and I study, crashes before. I've been in a crash before 2008. So I understand, how this stuff works. I understand the behavior behind it. Okay, most people think this is going to last forever. That's why you have people pretty much throwing their whole life savings in it. But right now in this bear market, it's time to learn how everything works. It's not a time to just think positive. Okay, thinking positive is one thing, but it's not going to help you make real money. Okay, what's going to help you make real money is actually knowing how things work, studying, develop some type of skill that allows you to make money over and over. Okay, that's what's going to help you. Because if you just hope and wish, I'm telling you right now, man, just from experience, this is why I want you guys to succeed, because I don't want you guys to make my mistakes. That hoping and succeeding and being positive all the time, man, that stuff will literally make you depressed when the market goes down, because you don't know how the market works. So, you're saying to yourself, man, why the market's going down for? I can't believe this. And every little turn in the market, every time the market dips up or pulls back, you're saying, okay, this is it. This has to be it. The market's going up. It has to be it. Okay? So you're not really using a strategy or a system. You're just basically doing everything based on hope. And every time the market has a pullback just like this, right? Pullback just like this, you're going to say, oh man, yes, this is it, guys. Okay. So, let's see on the 4 hour. So yes, we had this nice little spike, which is I like these spikes because I know that these spikes is unsustainable. Okay. And most likely these spikes will crawl over and get wiped out. So let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here, guys. Let me see. Keith said Drake should name his song Bitcoin Do You Love Me? Nope. That's funny. Abdul said just shorted 100x at 9. Yo, yo, your guys is shorting like crazy. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah, Mark. So shout out to Mark, man. You know, I know you're new to the channel. If you want to hit that subscribe button, you can definitely do that. I just basically give you guys a different view, you know, because think about it, Mark. Think about this for a second. I don't know if you're still here, but think about this, Mark. Imagine if I was these other cryptocurrency YouTubers. Now I'm honest, you know, if I told you to buy the dip every month, you know, since January, how's that making you better? Okay, that's not. What if I told you there's a way to make money right now and you don't have to suffer? Okay, just basically take advantage of these swings in the market and make money now, you know, and while you're waiting for that bull market to come. Because no one knows when that bull market is going to come. People, you know, people in this cryptocurrency world, they swear they know everything. Oh, guys, this is triple bottom. This is an inverse head and shoulder. We're going to the moon, guys. We're going to the moon. Right? I'm quite sure people probably think this is the bottom right here. But, you know, it is what it is. Let me see if I see here. Mark said, I appreciate it. I'm going to listen to you to this in the future. Yeah, no problem, man. I'm not trying to be, you know, negative or, you know, discourage you guys. I'm just trying to be as real as possible and try not to give you guys hopes up, because I can easily do that. I can easily say, guys, don't worry. This is the bottom. But, you know, you have these YouTubers that been saying that since January, okay? And, you know, they've been wrong all year. Meanwhile, me and my students been making money from going, you know, short in the market. And, you know, so at the end of the day, you have to ask yourself, okay, do I want a lie so I can, you know, satisfy my beliefs, or do I want the truth and make money? I can hear it in my head. Keith is crazy. Randy said that's a new jam. Y'all guys is crazy. Peter says signing out. What's going on, Peter? All right. Yeah, take care. I'm about to sign out soon too. The crypto market is like JD Wentworth. It's my money and I want it now. JD Wentworth. That's a commercial. I don't know if you guys know what that is. It's my money and I want it now. Man, shout out to you, Jared. Hey, what's going on, Ace? I don't know exactly what you're talking about. You said 1, 2, 3. If the wick on a 2 breaks down in the past just before it goes up to the 3. I don't know. Just send me a picture or post a picture in the Discord, because I gotta see a picture of what you're talking about. Ace, I gotta see a picture. But anyway, guys, I'm about to get out of here. For anybody that got the course, okay, if you got this course, email me proof that you know that you got the course, so I can send you that Discord link. If you don't have this course already, check it out. Okay, right now is that Discord. I mean the discount, and when I get off, it's not gonna be the discount. Make sure guys, make sure you study. Make sure that you don't get, you know, distracted with, you know, all this mess. Right now, it looks like Bitcoin will hit that 7,000 level. Okay, So this level right here, this zone right here is a lot of resistance. A lot of resistance right here. I'm glad that we're going up in a spike. I'm glad we're spiking up, because a spike just simply means that it's unsustainable and most likely we will roll over. Okay, so I'm glad that we spiking up like this. So most likely we will see another up move to this level. Okay, and then all the articles, all the news articles is gonna say, "Yay, Bitcoin hit 7,000." Okay, and you know that's what you look for. Yes. So good night, Davina Perry. Good night, Dom. Good night, Keith. Good night, everybody that's here. I appreciate you know, you guys chilling out with me. Like I said before, guys, keep studying. Keep studying. If you don't understand anything, maybe watch the videos over. So you know, just keep at it, guys, and just be patient. Right now, Bitcoin wants to hit that level. I guess that 7,000 level, and you know, let's go from there. So talk to you guys later, and have a good night, and make sure you guys get some sleep. So talk to you guys later, and have a good night.